In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a blog post in Wix. To get started, open your Wix dashboard and make sure you are signed in to the correct site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the blog section. This is where you will manage all of your blog content, including drafts, published posts, and new articles you want to create. From the blog section, click on Posts here. You can either create a brand new post or update one you already have. If you want to make a new blog post, click Create New Post. If the post already exists and you simply want to insert a table into it, open that post for editing instead. Both options will take you to the same post editor. So the process from there is very similar. Once the post editor opens, add your title if you haven't already. Then scroll to the part of the post where you want the table to appear. It's a good idea to place the table exactly where it will make the most sense for your readers, especially if you are using it to organize information, compare details, or present data clearly. Next, click into the content area at the exact spot where you want to insert the table. On the left side of the editor, you will see the Add icon, which looks like a plus sign. Click that plus button and then select Table from the available options. This tells Wix that you want to insert a structured table directly into your blog content. After that, enter the number of columns and rows you need. Think about how much information you want to display before choosing the table size, because this will help you keep your layout neat and easy to read. Once you've selected the dimensions you want, click Add. Now your table will appear in the editor. Click inside any cell to start typing your content. You can move through the table and fill in each section as needed. Wix also gives you formatting options for the table, which can help make it more polished and easier to understand. Using the table formatting menu, you can adjust the text style, change the background color, and update the border color. You can also set specific rows or columns as headers, which is especially useful if you want your table to look organized and professional. When you are done entering and formatting everything, take a quick moment to review the table inside the post editor to make sure it looks the way you want. Once everything is finished, click Publish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.